Tensions are rising in Zimbabwe over President Mnangagwa's intention to remain in power after his second term ends in 2028. Sanapinda mashoko atakuona kuti aiwa panguva ine zvonzi mutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe apa kona apa pama1 pamusoro pemakozi ari kuuya panapa achitaurwa from all the dimensions ekuti aiwa ngaaresign aiwa asiye aiwa mapowers aiwa ariwe pasi ndoti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mu SABC vanobudanyira chiti the country is bracing for what is being duped. An uprising as Liberation War veterans are rallying ordinary Zimbabweans to join tomorrow's protests in their push to oust Mnangagwa. The former freedom fighters who are backing Mnangagwa's deputy Constantino Chiwenga to take over feel that the president has failed to address the country's struggling economy. Associate Professor of Public Affairs at TUT, Ricky Mukonza, says the events are echoing a repeat of 2017 that led to the ousting of late former President Robert Mugabe, led by Chiwenga, who is then the country's military chief. In quotes, "We have got to understand the political dynamics in Zimbabwe and who seems to hold the power in Zimbabwean politics, and anyone who has an influence in the military definitely has an influence on the power politics in that country. It's not a new phenomenon. The Deputy President Constantino Chiwenga has been a leader of the army for some time and is considered to have a serious influence. What we wait to see is who has the real control of the army," says Mukonza. Ndomashoko kuda panapa vanhu vachiti aiwa muzora nhasi ndo patichaona kuti mukuru ndiani ane full control of the army panguva ino, and the army inonyakuteerera army. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Vanhu vava vachiti awa a repeat ya2017 yava kuitika zvekare. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pina comment section yedu. Kudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chatoa mabell icon.